In order to help Teachers Daisy's students realize the horror of slavery, she played a short video on trafficking of blacks across the Atlantic to become slaves in America. What approach did the teacher use? Is it A, evocation, B, inculcation, C, clarification, or letter D, introspection? Para matulungan natin, okay, ang mga estudyante ni Teacher Daisy na ma-realize, okay, the horror of slavery. Nagpanood siya ng short video patungkol po sa trafficking of blacks across the Atlantic to become slaves in America. So ano pong approach ang ginamit ni Teacher Daisy? So ang tumpak na sagot po natin for item number 90 is hindi po letter D, hindi po siya introspection dahil sinabi po natin ang introspection is the examination of one's own mental and emotional processes. Hindi rin po letter C. Okay, bakit? Ang clarification po is a teaching method that helps learners examine, analyze, and become aware of their own values. Hindi rin po inculcation. Okay, bakit? Because pinag-usapan natin kanina, inculcation aims to instill or teach specific values. So, bakit natin nasabi na letter A ang tamang sagot? Do not forget this, pagka sinabi po nating evocation, this is a values education approach that aims to steer feelings, emotions, and imagination to help students feel the value being taught.